Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Epidemic Soundmatch. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your Epidemic Sound account, and I want you in here, the easiest way to access the Soundmatch is by going to Music right here in the left panel, and then just go ahead over to Search by Video. Okay, and the other option, you can go ahead and try the studio right here, but this is by far the easiest option. So click on Search by Video, drag and drop your video, or click on Upload right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and upload or use a video like a tutorial video for Epidemic right here. So what you'll do next is just basically click on Get Recommendations and just wait for the process to finish. Okay. As you can see here, as fast as that, here we now have the recommendations. Okay. So you can just go ahead and select one and then go ahead and click on play right here to preview it. And then the video and the audio will play simultaneously. Okay. Now, if you like it, if you like the audio, just download it, download the full mix, or just download stems if you want to. And then once that's downloaded, go ahead and edit it in your editing software. Okay. And once done, you're actually good to go. That's just how easy it is to use Epidemic Soundmatch. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.